Hello everyone, this is Teacher Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to make a superhero out of a toilet paper roll and construction paper. Now before we begin, let's gather all of our materials. So to complete this craft, you're going to need one toilet paper roll and 3 pieces of construction paper in any colors you choose, 1 glue stick, 1 marker, and a pair of scissors. So to begin, we are going to start with the color that we want to have be the body of our superhero. So to do this, you're going to take your toilet paper roll and place it onto your construction paper, and so you can measure the length of the roll. Then, with the help of an adult, you're going to want to take your scissors and cut the paper, and then have it go to be the approximate width of the roll. And so now that we have the paper cut, we are going to remove the excess from our workstation, and we are going to apply the glue with the glue stick onto one side of the paper. So since we will be applying this paper to the toilet paper roll, we are going to want to make sure that we have as much glue on the paper as possible. That way it'll really stick. Need a little more. Make sure you get all corners. So now that we have that part done, we are going to take the roll and we are going to apply the paper to the roll. And then we will smooth it down and roll it across. So now that we have the paper on the roll, we can take our scissors and cut the excess from the top that we don't want to have be there. So there we have our body with the construction paper for the color that we want. Now we are going to take our second color, mine's red, and we are going to cut the cape for our superhero. So once again, you're going to take your roll, and I like to have my cape come just down a little bit here. So I'm going to put one finger here and then one finger here. So this is where I will make my first cut. We're going to go here, and you're going to start cutting. And I'm going to stop where my finger is and cut across this way. So now we have our cape, and I am going to apply glue in the shape of a T on the cape. So across the top and both corners of the top, and then one down the middle. Now I'm going to take the body of the superhero, and we're going to apply the cape to the back where the seam of the papers meet. So we're going to take our cape, measure it at the bottom, and then press down. Make sure it sticks all the way down. So there we have the cape on our superhero. Now we're going to set that aside, and we are going to take our red paper and we are going to cut some red strips. So we're going to cut 3 of them, 2 thinner, and then this one for our mask we want to have be a little bit more thick. So now we're going to take this thicker piece for our mask, and we are going to take our marker and we are going to draw the outline of a mask. So what we're going to do is we are going to start in the middle, and it's a little more narrow, and then get bigger on the outside, loop it back, and there's the outline of the mask. Now we take our scissors and we are going to cut along the black line that we just drew. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, because if we don't want that line to be showing, we can flip over our mask so that the line is where we are going to apply glue. So now we have our mask. We are going to, see, I don't like this one piece, so we can take our scissors and clean it up. Perfect. We're going to take our glue and apply glue to the side that has the outline. Now we're going to take our mask and our superhero and apply it to the top where the face is going to be. Make sure it has lots of glue so that it's nice and sticky. Now we are going to take this white piece of paper and we are going to cut small circles in it for the eyeballs. So to do that, we're going to take our black marker again and we're going to draw the circles that are going to be the eyeballs. Now we are going to take our scissors and we are going to cut along these black lines again like we did for the mask. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to trim off this extra part. There's one. Now I'm going to cut out the second one. This can be a little tricky, so make sure you ask an adult for help if you need. So now I'm going to cut off this extra piece, like so. And there we have our two eyeballs. So once again, we are going to take our glue stick, apply glue to the piece that has the black line. We are going to take this eyeball with the glue and we are going to take our superhero and apply it to this part of the mask where the eyes are showing through. And now we're going to do it again with the second eyeball. Add the glue and then place it onto the mask on the other side, like so. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take our Sharpie and draw on the eyes in the center of the white construction paper. Now we can also draw a smile. So now that we have finished the face, we are going to take one of the smaller pieces of construction paper that we had cut out and we are going to apply glue to it. We want to make sure that we have lots of glue. This is going to be our superhero belt. So now that it has glue, we are going to take it and we are going to place it in the middle of the toilet paper roll under one side of the cape and then have it come across and go under the other side of the cape. So there is our superhero belt. Now to complete it, we are going to take our black marker again and I'm going to write an S on the belt for superhero. There we go. That's how you make a superhero out of a toilet paper roll and construction paper. Thank you.